Welcome to Sports Soccer 345. Former world record holder Asafa Powell has declared that his children will not run for Jamaica if certain support systems are not put in place. He also suggests that if he had to do it again, he would not have competed for Jamaica. Honestly guys, if the support system doesn't change, my kids will not run for Jamaica, the former world record holder said. I'm sorry to say that, but it's just facts. My wife is Canadian and Ghanaian, so there are lots of opportunities. Powell also stated that in 2006, he was offered millions of dollars to run for another country. He said it was still early in his career, remarking that he didn't know what the future holds for him. If I knew then what I know now, I would have taken up that opportunity. This has been met with a lot of criticism from the media, some for and some against. Let's look at this. To be honest, what if you were in his shoe? Asafa Powell, what has Asafa Powell have ever done for Jamaica? Obviously that person is not watching track and field. Asafa Powell is one of the person, or is the person, that opened the door to the world for Jamaicans to walk through. He was the first one to hold the record for Jamaica, the world record holder. He paved the way for people like Johan Blake, Shelley and Fraser Price, and the big Usain Bolt. Now, the man is entitled to his own opinion. I mean, we might not agree with him, but one Jamaican cliche says, who feels it knows it. He was there, and we don't know exactly what he's talking about because we may never know, but we know that this guy sacrificed his life, sacrificed a lot of things to compete for his country. I mean, he might not have an Olympic gold medal, but that doesn't say that he's not among the great. He is among the greats. He is legend. And we want to respect his opinion and want to look in his opinion. And somebody might just not agree with him because he said he sound like he's harsh against Jamaica and Jamaicans. But let's face the fact, Jamaicans are one of the hardest set of people to please in the world. And when you are up there, they are all for you. When they are down there, they will crush you. So we are Jamaicans and we know we are hard on our kids sometimes. Somebody might say it's the world over, but we are talking about Jamaica. We are living in Jamaica. And so it has sparked a big comment in the media world. What do you think about his comment? Do you believe that Asafa Powell was just blowing steam and looking clout and looking views? Or do you think that what he says was genuine and that a lot more athletes is crying out, a lot more athletes is suffering because of the system that is in place? Somebody suggests that they should be getting a salary. Somebody suggests that they should be getting more stipend. Somebody suggests that they should be getting something more productive from the government. What do you say? Let me know your comments in the comment section.